Welcome back to Recycled Saves. We've got a 2013 YZ450f set up as a snow bike. So like the wheels and the swing arm and the shock and the brakes were like almost brand new as takeoffs. You can see this stuff is like just showroom quality, and they put this Timbersled kit on it with lights and heat controls and all this other stuff, and it did have the shrouds on, but the guys started taking it apart, and I was like, hey, I didn't shoot the video yet, so we dragged it back out here. I'm not sure. I've seen some of the videos like Red Bull of these Timbersleds. Problem is, here in Wisconsin, they're not legal on the trails. So apparently this one was put together, changed hands a couple of times, and as near as I can tell, the three guys that have had it, nobody ever really rode it. They tried to take it up north into the northern Wisconsin, but again, they could only ride on private land. They couldn't go on any of the open trails or the state or national parks because you can't get a Wisconsin permit to run these snow bikes because they're not designed as a snowmobile. That's their rules here. But anyway, it's got the YZ450 motor that, again, I don't think it has hardly any hours on it at all, but whoever set it up did a really nice job. They've got like this headlight on it. It's got some kind of a heating system hooked to the bars. It's got these heating things on the motor. It's got this bigger kicker for wearing snowmobile boots, pro circuit exhaust. It's got all the goodies for the snow bike kit, extra gas tank, toolbox. You can see there's almost no time at all on the flaps there. And here's the plastic we took off. Oh, and you can tell that they put a different clutch in right from the get-go. So there's a stock clutch too with almost no hours on it, because apparently with these snow bikes they want some bigger, heavier clutch in there. So apparently it's got a PST clutch. Let me see if I can get it to kick. If I lose you while I'm kicking it over, remember, subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart, and make sure if you need parts, get a hold of us either on our eBay homepage or through our Facebook page here on YouTube, or you can text me. So let me see if I can get it going quick. So if you need parts for your YZ450, or if you're interested in a Timbersled kit with all the goodies, all the toolboxes and the handlebar warmers and the temperature senders and everything, let us know that too. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to see what else we're taking apart. Hopefully we can save you money on your bike this summer. And thanks for watching.